Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Harley Davidson Street Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Harley Davidson Street Glide with 53,004 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a TBR 2-to-1 exhaust, a True Track oil pan stabilizer, 16-inch handlebars, grips, levers, Öhlins rear shocks, docking hardware, an aftermarket windscreen, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, and an LED headlight. We have replaced the rear tire. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Street Glide puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Glide has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 27.1-inch seat height and an 822-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is a new tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the starter clutch kicks out sometimes and the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the clutch lever, small holes and a zip tie in the saddlebag, and a paint blemish on the saddlebag. This bike has 3 keys and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.